Hello there, doing a repair job on a vintage. Guess it is now vintage, right? Storage control. Nicollet. Oscilloscope. It was not working, so I went into here to replace some components. Mostly a few capacitors. Now I got soldering iron now heat up. Where am I here? Oh, here we are. Yeah, so now I took this board out, replaced some components, and also a transistor. I'm gonna get the oscillator working. Storage control area, and get it off of holding. So it's working now. Just need to join this here, and as I clipped it off to pull it off the board to work on it. So I'm gonna solder that together and put the lid back on, and we'll be off to the races. My probe is hanging here, so if I touch it, it should be active. There we go. Where did it go? Down here. Okay, so probe, finger, and there we go. Finger off. Back to baselines. Of course, there's all kinds of adjustments here for waveforms and dual trace, and other measurements. So I'm going to do some tests later on, but now okay. Back to solder. My iron's hot, so I'm going to shut up right now.